Bolt 25 GigE cameras hit hard with the perfect blend of speed and resolution. With resolutions up to 127 megapixels and frame rates exceeding 1500 frames per second, they provide powerful imaging without compromise. Bolt 25 GigE cameras are powered by the latest Sony and Gpixel sensors, enabling you to innovate. Customers use Bolt where imaging quality and resolution are critical. Think performing real-time, high-speed inspection in factories, capturing sports action from every angle for broadcast analysis or officiating, creating virtual and augmented reality, transforming 2D into 3D and 4D with volumetric capture and Gaussian splats. Handling large amounts of imaging data at 25 GigE is simple with Emergent scalable hardware and software. Multi-camera systems scale with the addition of more hardware. Add more cameras, network equipment, processing, or storage hardware. On the software side, eCapture Pro and eSDK Pro use zero-copy and NVIDIA GPU Direct technologies, enabling direct, high-speed transfer of data to GPUs with extremely low latency and jitter. Our FlexProc and FlexTrans technologies are integrated so you control which nodes in the system perform capture, processing, transfer, and storage. Multiple cameras can be synchronized within 1 microsecond using IEEE 1588. Bolt, like all Emergent cameras, are compliant with GigE Vision 3.0 and RDMA. They run on the high-speed SFP28 interface, leveraging widely available and cost-effective networking equipment. If you're looking for lower-speed 10 GigE cameras, check out Eros, the smallest, lowest-power 10 GigE camera in the world. For even higher speeds and resolutions, check out the Zenith series with 100 GigE performance. Get started today by contacting Emergent about Bolt 25 GigE cameras.